I'm here with Nick Nathan. So Nick, what's your role here at Kawneer?
I am Environmental Health and Safety Director.
And so how did you get started at Kawneer?
In 2010, I was hired by Kawneer as an environmental engineer in their factory in Cleveland Works, Ohio.
What's your favorite way to start your day?
Cup of coffee and a little bit of, sports center, just checking up on, the game that I wasn't able to finish from the night before because I was tired and fell asleep.
What do you enjoy most about working at Kawneer?
I really enjoy the relationships I've formed over the last 14 years. Great group of people to work with. I also feel like my job is one where every day I come to work, if I do a good job, I know I did good for, the world, right? It's not just a shallow pursuit. It's something that really impacts people's lives in a good way.
Whose responsibility is safety in the workplace?
Safety is everybody's responsibility. Every single person, right, is going to be the best caretaker for themselves. They're also going to be powerful and helpful in keeping other people safe. And it's also worth noting leadership defines culture. And so even though I don't think leaders are singularly responsible for people's safety, leaders are very much responsible for the culture that promotes a safe work environment.